Well, kiss my Barney Stones. Hey y'all, Jamie Deen back to Mama's Kitchen. It's St. Patrick's Day. That's a big deal around here. You got so many things to do. Do you know how long it takes to make 15 gallons of Hunch Punch? A long time. You don't have time to cook. So today we're doing a really good dish. Super simple. I've done it before. If you love cabbage, you're gonna love this. We got us a head of cabbage here, and I'm gonna cut the stem off the bottom. This is cabbage steaks, y'all. Have you heard of this? So I'm gonna cut it straight down the center. One time here. And what I wanna do is get nice, what looks like a steak out of here, you see? So I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna trim a little bit off this edge so it'll lay flat, and I'm gonna cut this right in half. Now you might lose a piece or two on the outside, but you see essentially what you get here is a steak made out of cabbage. Now it's good for you. It goes down easier, it's delicious, and look how pretty it is. Plus it's that time of year. Don't throw these away. You can do something nice with those. Chop them up, put them in a smoothie is what I would do. I'm gonna flatten this in. I'll cut it right down the middle again. You wanna do these about an inch or two thick. These are going into the oven at 400 degrees for like 25 minutes. So these are gonna take a while to cook. And they are so good. When I've done cabbage steaks in my house, I usually do them on the grill or put them on the smoker. The oven's gonna be a lot easier. So I got my olive oil here. I'm gonna brush it really good. Don't you just feel healthier already? And I'm gonna season this with some house seasoning. Now cabbage needs some seasoning, y'all, so don't be shy with it. I'm gonna season this side and a little bit of paprika. Give it a little bit of color. And I tell you what, if I was at the house and I could, I'd put a little bit of bacon drippings on here just to give it a little bit of that flavor. Paprika for color. And then we're gonna come in at the very end. If you want, you can. A couple of red pepper flakes right on the top. We don't mind the heat around here. Okay, gonna flip this over.
Your mom might have some
bacon drippings around here. Well, you know, Teresa, I just like to give the people something to think about. Because if I come in here and make a recipe and don't offer at least one alternative, people will think I'm not feeling well.
I thought of butter too.
Ooh, butter would be good too. But today, we're gonna cook it like the recipe calls for and see what we get. House seasoning, a couple of red pepper flakes, and then a little bit of paprika. You see how easy this is? I can't wait to taste it. Cabbage really is one of my favorite recipes. I learned how to make Brussels sprouts here in this kitchen from a woman that used to model swimsuits for Sports Illustrated. It was a momentous day for me. Because as much as I love cabbage, I never liked Brussels sprouts. And you know the two things that Brussels sprouts are missing? Bacon grease and brown sugar. That one's free. Going in the oven at 400 degrees, y'all stick around. Y'all, great day. These turned out a lot better than the ones I did on the grill. Now about halfway through, I flipped this one over. You see how the ends are getting a little bit browner, but that's okay. You can get rid of this on the edge. They crisp up, but look at these beautiful. I mean, that is pretty, y'all. Look, I mean, simple. You could put a piece of steak or a piece of chicken right next to this.
Corned beef cabbage for St. Patrick's Day.
Of course. Pour your corned beef cabbage all over it. Look at that. It cuts just like a steak. Can y'all tell that my mouth is watering? I do love cabbage. It is so pretty and the perfect time of year to enjoy this. Plus, it could be easier, really. You saw how long it took me. Delicious. Really, y'all. This is good food. And I'm Jamie Deen. I'll see y'all around the kitchen. Hot dog.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.